Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a gel mani using Beetles Gel Polish. And the collection here is from the Be Yourself collection. And I really like these colors. I think they're perfect for the summer. And then I'm also going to go ahead and show you all the swatches here real quick. These are all 6 colors swatched. And I just think they're so pretty. And then here are the colors we're going to be using for today's mani. And then we're also going to go ahead and do some nail art using these rainbow gel liners, which I'm super excited to try. So I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're just finishing up the mani here, and check it out. Isn't it pretty? I love these vibrant colors. They scream tropical summer goodness all in one mani, and I'm loving it right now. And I really like how the accent nail turned out. The gel liners are actually really nice. I was worried that every time I drew a line that it was going to feel raised or risen on the nail, and actually it feels completely flush to the nail. I can't even tell there's lines on there. So I really like that about these gel liners. So again, this was the colors I used are from the Be Yourself collection, and then the gel liners are from the Rainbow Liner collection. Now Amazon Prime Day is coming up, so if you are in the market for some new gel polish or these liners, Beetles is going to have a huge sale up to 30% off on items. So definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!